I am currently in my car. It is freezing here, and I just wanted to make a quick video to show you a new way of making money online. I want to show you how you can mine crypto, and in particular Verscoin, from your phone from anywhere in the world. And look, I'm literally anywhere, right? I'm in my phone, in my car, in the middle of nowhere. So I'll show you exactly what to do. Follow the steps. You can do it from anywhere you are in the world, as long as you have a phone and a connection to internet that will work. Let's go, guys. All right, so first thing we want to do is go to Verus.io. It is the website you want to go to. So here, that's their main website. As you can see, they have a coin, the Verus coin, and you want to go to start mining and staking. So you just click here. When you're here, you will just go here to start mining. From here, you will scroll down and want to use the mobile, right? So you have two options here. I've tried both. You can either download it on Google Play, or you can download it right here, and it's an APK file. So this is what I'm going to choose. I tried the Google Play. I just prefer the Verus Miner 9000 instead. So you just simply download it. You'll get here, and then you just need to click on Verus Miner 9000, the APK file, download again. I uninstalled it so I can do it all over again for you guys. So you install, it will, you can see it's super quick to do. Really fast, it won't take you a long time. You open the file, and this is where we are. So this is the miner. So first off, I want to show you the parameters you need to put. You will have to open a wallet with them, and I'll show you my wallet as well. But this is where you write the wallet address, your wallet address. You write it here. For the pool, I am in North America. I'm in Canada. So like the US, Canada, you will put Lug Pool NA. If you're in Europe, you can put Lug Pool EU. I haven't tried the other, I haven't tried the Verus Project 1 official pool. I've watched a few tutorials, and most of the people are choosing the Lug Pool one. So this is what I did. I chose the Lug Pool, and I didn't change any other parameters. I left everything as is. You just simply save. I'm personally using an Android phone, of course, and it's a Samsung S20 Plus. And if I press start, it will show you it will show you the kilohashes per second. It can take up to a minute, I noticed, for the miner to just start mining. So don't press start and then see that it's 0 and be like, okay, I'm giving up, because it will start. I just wanted to make sure I was on my mobile data, and I am, so it should work. But again, it's going to take some time. So we'll wait, but oh yeah, there you go. It started. So when I was home, it was at around about 2,400. I think the max I had was probably 3,074. So this is was pretty good. So I've got 2,071 kilohashes per second. So it is mining. It is right now mining. So now I'm going to show you the wallet. So I already have a wallet, but it's very simple. You have to go to Verse. I was looking at options to sell the coin, and I'll tell you a little bit about that. But Verse.io, and when you start mining and everything, you'll have the option. You will have to open your wallet, so you'll have to do it. You're gonna have a passphrase. You just copy your passphrase, keep it for you. This is your security phrase in case you lose your access to your wallet. If you want to reactivate your wallet, retrieve it, you need that passphrase. So you're gonna have like the passphrase, and yeah, that's it. Then it's gonna create your wallet, and this is how it's gonna look like. You're gonna add more coins if you want. I added Dogecoin. When you open it, you will have just Versecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. And if you click the plus here, manage coins, you can add more coins. So here's the selection you have in there. You can check all the coins. I'm not interested by the Singapore dollar. Okay, so here it is. Services. Oh yeah, here you can link your wallet to Wire, so you can connect to your bank account and actually withdraw your crypto straight to your bank account. So I'll show you as well the income I got from the miner. I just had, okay, I didn't run it every day 24/7 for the past few days. I just turned it on sometimes, and I received 3 payments from the miner. Okay, so right now I currently have 0.0019 Versecoin. It's not much. So if I want to see Versecoin, my coin market cap, Versecoin coin market cap, it's going to give us the price of today. It is currently at 0.29 cents. It's really not high. Keep in mind that it used to be up to almost $3. When was that actually? This was literally in probably June this year, right? 2022. Up to $3. Let me check if it's right. It's probably not right. It doesn't sound right. It's 2021. Okay, June 2021. It was at $3. That's when the crypto market was extremely bullish. From May, I remember April, May, it started to be extremely bullish. Everything went up, like everything. So it went up as well, as you can see. So up to $3. We hope, everybody hopes that it's going to go back up. Nothing's guaranteed though. But think that this is a miner you can run freely, kind of freely. It's with a phone. So it's not going to use a lot of energy, right? It's not going to use as much as a desktop would with those, like professional miners that people have to mine Bitcoin and Ethereum and all these fancy coins. So this is gonna work in the background. It's much faster when I'm in Wi-Fi in my house. I'm outside right now, so it's kind of not very reliable. As you can see now, it's only 366 kilohashes per second. But if you're home, like if you're hooked to the Wi-Fi, it's going to be much faster. So you can do that. You just can do it from anywhere. As you can see, I'm outside in my car showing you this. So it's going to mine and send the coins to your wallet. You don't have to do anything about that. So here, 13.98, that's good. And then what you could do as well, you could literally go to Kijiji, or I don't know if you have Craigslist. If you're in the US, I know it's very famous over there for secondhand item stuff. But over here we have Kijiji, and you can look for cracked screens. Cell phone. You want an Android, right? Like preferably you want an Android because it's just better for mining on the phone. I'm pretty sure it could work on Apple. If you go on the Google Play app and use the app, the Google Play one, you probably will have the option to install install the app and mine from your iPhone. I haven't tried. If you have an iPhone and you've done it on an iPhone, let me know. It does work. I don't have an iPhone, so I can't tell. This is my main phone. If you wanted to, you could literally buy, those are pretty expensive. You want to buy some very cheap phones, right? So $50. Tell us Samsung. Okay, Samsung is good. I've got a Samsung S20 Plus. It's my main phone though. So ideally, I would want to buy some broken screen phones. So here you have one for $50. That's not too bad. So if you wanted to get a little bit more serious about that, you could buy a few, broken screens phones, or maybe you already have some phones that are laying around your house. You don't do anything with them. Why not put them to work and just try, well, what do we have here for prices, and just make some passive income, because that's literally passive income. You just install the app and let it run in the background. Every time it's gonna have to reconnect. It's kind of annoying. Or is it reconnected? I'm not sure. But here it is, guys. This is how you can literally mine from anywhere in the world from your phone, the Verscoin. I did check as well. I wanted to let you know, guys. I did check where you could buy and sell Verscoin, and I saw on the website, and let me find it. On their website, okay, if you go here on their main website, exchanges, so you could use these to sell and buy another coin if you wanted to. So yeah, Whitebit or Witbit, I don't know how you say it, but this one is pretty well known. I don't really know the other ones, but you could do your own research and see if it's worth it. But for whatever you mind, if you wanted to just sell that to buy another coin, you could literally do that going through those exchanges if you wanted to. Or you could just keep your Verscoin and wait maybe like a year or 2, 3 years, 5 years, whatever it is, until the coin goes up. Until then, you would have accumulated a lot of coins, and that would have, maybe it's going to make you rich. You never know. Nobody knows. And this is the beauty of it, is that we don't know, but if it does really go back up, if it's not destroyed and gone to zero, like a lot of people are saying, and maybe that's going to be the reality, I have no idea. But if it does really go back up, it's worth it's worth trying to mine, and again, it doesn't cost anything. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope it was useful. I hope you appreciated this new way of making some passive income, some money online. And if you did try mining Verscoin with an iPhone, please let me know. Comment below. Let me know if it does work, because I don't have an iPhone, so I don't know. And yeah, well, I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. But first, I want to show you how cold it looks outside. Yeah, this is how it looks. So you can see I literally did it from my car. It's cold here. Alright guys, see you on the next video for a new way of making money online. And thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. See you guys.